Pokemon, I'm Lewis.
And I'm Jonas.
And welcome to GL Pokemon, and we got these two tins to open for you guys. These are some pretty old tins, not gonna lie. These are from
like Eternatus.
These are from like the beginning of the Sword and Shield era, so
I think rotated out.
Which,
so
yeah, I think the majority of these sets are rotated. But we should be fine.
We're gonna get some amazing stuff in this.
Hopefully. But before we get into this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-long-a-ling-a-long.
Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at
Jill_PCam and the talking ticks, the tickers, the talks.
That's right. So, how about we get straight into this, and we'll catch you guys in a second
with the GoPro.
Alright guys, so we have the plastic off these boxes. Let's do a coin flip to see who opens their thing first. So Jonas's heads and on tails. Tails, which means I'll be opening mine first.
Hasn't been heads in weeks.
Yep, well that's too bad I guess. Oh wait, there's Fusion Strike in here. So maybe we will be getting some good stuff out of this. You never know. So anyways, we got a Pikachu promo. Oh my. Okay. He's been out forever now, so don't need to worry about that.
Yeah.
And ooh, so it looks like we got some pretty nice packs in here.
Brilliant Stars.
2 packs for Brilliant Stars and Evolving Skies. So that's not even a bad setup of packs on the go. These are all in the rotation, so.
The same for me as well.
Yes, probably Fusion Strike and Evolving Skies and 2 Brilliant Stars. That's nice. Brilliant Stars. We can get Arceus, so this is exciting.
Oh yeah. All right, I got mine open now. So.
And Jonas got Eevee with that Brave Buddies attack.
Brave Buddies, yeah. All right, guys. So who opens their pack first?
I do.
Okay.
So let's get into my pack of Fusion Strike. I guess I'll just go in order since I guess Evolving Sky has got that Umbreon pull.
Yeah. Which I'm really hoping for. And in this we want Mew VMAX Alt Art.
Yep. Messed up the pack strip. Primate, Barraskewda, Bugcatcher, Sigilyph, Toxel, Totodile, Baneri, reverse rare, but it looks like Clobbopus, Arcanine, and
Grimmsnarl Hollow.
Grimmsnarl Hollow, not bad at all. So there's our first little pull of the thing, so.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad, it does mean the code card was good, but not a V or anything.
Ooh, Lewis.
I think Jonas might be getting some, so.
I think I might be.
Let's see what we are getting out of this. Maybe a VMAX.
Right, we got a fighting.
Maybe a.
Yep, look at that.
Yo, quick ball is nice.
Yep, that's playable. Persian. Cook.
Dreepy.
Makuhita.
Rookity. Galarian Darumaka.
Sizzlipede. Oh, is that a
reverse trainer, supporter,
Schoolboy, and it's a V.
Just a V.
Fire type
Heatran.
Chandler. Not bad at all.
V.
That is a hit, which I'm happy about.
Not the best hit.
Not the hit we could have gotten, but it's still good.
Still a hit.
Still a hit.
So I got some Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars? Yep.
Brilliant Stars.
To open for you guys. I was gonna say Brilliant Skies.
Brilliant Skies, guys.
So let's see what we're getting out of this. So far, we've gotten no hits on my side of the table.
But we got hit on my side.
So once again, I don't think we're getting anything. So just a Metal Energy, Probopass, Friends of Galar, Team Yell's
Now
Cheer,
this does have the
Spiritomb.
This has the reverse things.
Oh, but no, well, clearly not. Impidimp.
Stadium.
Maybe that ruined Fortress. What is it called? Oh,
Collapse Stadium. And we got. It's something. It's a Luxray. Wow.
So, okay, not bad at all. We got a reverse Collapse Stadium, so I guess it could have been worse.
Oh no.
Let's see what Jonas is getting out of this. Let's move these.
Don't think I'm getting out of this one. Anything out of this one, Lewis.
That's okay, because that gives me time to catch up with my 3 packs remaining.
Water. Friends and Galar. Team Yell's Cheer. Chinchino. Golett.
Chimecho. Chimchar.
Minccino.
Balto.
And Exeggutor.
Clang.
Your base Pokemon take 20 less damage from attacks.
Alright, so we got another pack of Brilliant Stars here to open for you guys. Let's see what we're getting out of this one. And
Alright, come on, something good. Arceus.
Arceus with
Arceus V. We don't even need a V-star. We need a V.
Why do we need a V?
Never mind. We need a V-star.
We need a V-star or a V.
Arceus V-star or V. They're both good.
Sigilif.
Sigilith. Come on.
Pachirisu. Choice
Belt, that's
Belt.
playable.
That's nice. No, it's nice to have one.
Baltoy. Oh boy.
Baltoy. Axew.
Nose.
Nose Pass.
Snow.
Snorunt.
Clink.
Electabuzz. Aeon.
Barrel. That is playable, so I'll take it.
Industrious Incisors.
Now, we got one last chance to get the amazing Arceus that we've been needing for so long.
Actually, we have 2 and 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the gold. The hyper rare.
The gold and the hyper rare, and we have 2 V's. So we have 2
Ooh,
and 2
yes.
actually, but a 3 line would be
Think I
great.
saw the code. All right, come on.
Man, you're missing the garbage completely. It's not even open.
Closed. All right, we got darkness.
Darkness energy.
Oh, Lewis. Think I see something.
Maybe
Kindler.
Arceus?
Collapse Stadium.
Watch it be like
Hitmon
Shaman.
Top. Cherubass, or if it's Chandelier VMAX, I won't be too
No,
happy.
Shaman.
Electabuzz.
Shaman V-Star.
Shimiko.
That's what I'm guessing. Shaman
Gibble.
V-Star.
Cynthia's
Let's see.
Ambitions. Oh no.
No,
Wait,
you're
what?
getting nothing.
It's an Infernape.
It's a pretty hot.
Still a holo. I thought I saw something.
Alright, I've yet to get a V, so that means if I'm gonna get one, it's gonna be out of Evolving Skies.
Ooh,
So
which
hopefully
gives you good
that
luck.
means alternate art
Umbreon.
Umbreon.
That'd go right into this thing right here.
4 from the back. My fingers are very dry, so I don't really feel anything on the back of this card
Oh
anyways.
no. Could be a V. Looks to be
No, it's literally nothing.
nothing.
Water energy, Crustle, Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, Teddiursa,
Teddiursa,
Mareep, Zorua, Tentacool, Hoppip. Oh
Rescue
wow,
Carrier.
look at the print on that. The reverse looks so weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Rescue Carrier's a good card though. And
And
just
a Hydreigon.
This deck does 100 more damage for each prize card your opponents took during the last turn.
Oh, so if you take 3 prize cards, then you're doing 300.
You're doing 320 damage for 2 winners.
Wow. All right. All right, here we go. Come on.
Maybe we can get an Umbreon, hopefully.
Bring me
I
some
mean,
goodness.
Jonas got a V, so maybe he can use
Lightning.
his luck to get us an
Cave.
Umbreon.
Toy Catcher.
Raihan is nice.
Swablu.
Swablu.
Shinshino. Dino. Pumpkaboo.
Pumpkaboo's not bad. Applin and nothing. Oh, wow.
Seismitoad.
Well, last pack, guys. I
got
don't
one
think
left, too.
we're looking up to anything
I think
right
I'm
now.
winning so far. You need to get something very good out of this in order to pass me. Because my Chandelier is on. Oh,
Oh, I see something.
might
Oh,
be a V. I don't know.
I don't
Could be
know.
something better.
Looks pretty cool.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, we are getting something, ladies
Oh,
and
here we
gentlemen.
go.
Let's see if this is better than a Chandelure.
Zinnia's Resolve.
Zinnia's Resolve.
Chandelura.
Hippowdon.
Tentacruel.
Tentacruel.
Wabafet.
Hoppip.
Hoppip.
Swablu. Petlil. Cryogonal. He's crying.
Ooh,
And we have a Darkness type reverse rare Thievel.
And it's just a V.
What type is it?
Gotta be a good V. Water. No.
Umbreon V! So
Wrong Umbreon.
Not the Umbreon one. What?
Still a V, which I think it does beat Chandelure.
I do believe it does beat Chandelure.
I mean, Umbreon has a pretty playable VMAX.
Boom! Check that out, Umbreon V going right there.
Okay. Don't think I see anything.
So guys, are you ready for Scarlet and Violet coming out?
Yeah.
Excited for that? What deck are you most excited to play if you're playing the game? And what card are you most excited to pull if you're not playing the game? Hey. So
All right,
let
here
us
we
know
go.
in the comments. I'm excited to play God of War, which we're probably not even gonna be able to play because
Okay.
we won't get the cards for it.
Whoa.
Unless we do some major trading, I don't think anyone is gonna want to trade their God of War decks.
Tentacruel.
Herdier. Aroma Lady.
Roma Lady.
Rufflet.
Rufflet.
Lotad.
Lota.
Emolga.
Emolga.
Woobat.
Gossifleur.
Slack off.
Reversal.
And nothing.
Nothing, my lord.
Just a melodic so. I think I'm the winner because Pikachu and Umbreon I think is better than Eevee and
No,
Chandler.
I think Eevee outpasses both of them.
So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-long.
Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at
PKMN and the target is 6, the tick of the talk.
That is right. So, and we'll catch you guys in the next one, which is gonna be interesting. I don't know when does Scarlet and Violet come out? Next month?
Something like that.
So stay tuned for that. That's
Yeah.
coming around the corner, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.
Bye.